Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Doc Rocks. I am Prachi, a second year MBBS student at King George's Medical University, Lucknow. So in this video, I am going to talk about all second year MBBS books. I have just completed my second year, so through my experiences, I will tell you which book will be best for you. So there are two types of books that you can read in your second year. One that will make your concept and the another one that you can read for your exams. So first of all, we will talk about those books which can make our concept. As you all know, gold standard books are the best materials to make good concepts. तो अब बात यह है कि गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड बुक पढ़ना कैसे है. डायरेक्टली कभी भी गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड बुक को नहीं रीड करना है, उससे कभी कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में नहीं आएंगे और फर्स्ट टाइम का रीड जो होगा वो इट्स लाइक वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. सो फर्स्ट सबसे पहले लेक्चर देखो किसी का भी, चाहे टीचर्स के, अपने कॉलेज के टीचर्स का लेक्चर या फिर किसी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के लेक्चर्स देखो. बट सबसे पहले लेक्चर देखना ज़रूरी है बिकॉज उसमें थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें समझ आ जाती हैं. उसके बाद गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड बुक पढ़ना सो दैट तुम्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ें समझ में आए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ें रिटेन रहेंगी. So first is pathology. So in pathology, the best book is Robinson Cotran, Pathologic Basis of Disease. It will make your good concepts and its data is valid everywhere. This book is also used as a reference for clinical data. Few researches and new technologies in medical fields are also mentioned in this book. Now we will talk about pharmacology. So in pharmacology, the best book for Indians is K.D. Tripathi, Essentials of Medical Pharmacology. It is a very good book for pharma. Dosage quantities are used in clinical practice and it is also used for references. Another book for pharma is Kaizen. It is an international book. If you don't understand any topic from KDT, then you can use Kaizen for understanding any topic, but for clinical dosage forms and other things that is used in India, then you will only use an Indian book, that is KDT. Now third one is microbiology. So I should make it clear that in microbiology there are very few concepts and it contains a lot of information and you have to mug up most of the content. For this, I used to study Apurva Shastri, Essentials of Medical Microbiology, and that too from second edition. Because in this book, contents are given bacteria-wise, which is easy to learn. And it also contains limited content that you have to read in your second year. And it also written in easy language and has good image quality, which help in better understanding. In third edition, there is a lot of content and that too in systemic wise, which is hard to learn and you don't need to learn everything from that book. But yes, you can read your clinical microbiology from third edition, which is given best in this book than second edition book. There is another part of microbiology, that is parasitology, which is not given in second edition book if you are reading it, but it is given in third edition book. So if you are reading second edition book, then you can also prefer of Apurva Shastri, that is Essentials of Medical Parasitology. It contains good diagrams and images and also contain easy to language that aid in learning and better understanding. If you are not able to understand any topic, read Warren Levinson, that is Review of Medical Microbiology and Immunology. It will not only help you to understand the topic but also help in learning it. One thing you should note down for gold standard book is you don't have to read everything from gold standard book. I mean, it's up to you. You can read everything, but you don't have to learn everything from gold standard books. Because if you want to get good marks in your professional exams, learn only those topics that is in your competency or curriculum, because gold standard books are not strictly based on our curriculum. Now we will move towards the next section of our video, that is books required for exams. So the best way to score high in your exam is to make notes from those gold standard books, because notes are very important. You can read it many times and revise it just before exam from your notes, and in second year you have to learn a lot of information, and for this you have to read it again and again, and that can only be done by using notes. There is one more advantage, that if you make notes from gold standard books, then those diagrams and concepts that you will write in your answer will help you to gain more marks in your exams. And if you don't want to make notes or you don't have time to make notes, then there are few exam oriented books that will also help you to score good marks in your exams. In pathology, best book for exam is Ramdas Nayak, Exam Preparatory Manual for Undergraduate. This book is based on competency and it is written just like the way you have to write an answer in your exam. You know, in pathology, you can make good concept, but the major problems comes is how to write a good answer that you can learn from this book. It also contains a lot of contents and concepts from Robbins, but before reading this book, you should already know the concepts. Don't read it directly. If you don't want to read 2 books in pathology and only want to read 1 book in your whole second year, then you can also prefer Harsh Mohan, which provides you good concepts also, plus it is exam oriented. You will be easily able to write answer after reading it, and also it is competency based. If you have joined any coaching institute, you can also use coaching institute notes. For lecture, I will prefer Pathoma, and it is also for those students who are preparing for USMLE Step 1. It will also make you a good concept, but it has less contents and few topics are not covered which is given in our competency. For pharmacology, you can read Shanbag, Pharmacology for Medical Graduates. It is competency based, but use it only for exams. No, don't use it for making any concepts. Few topics are good in this book, but don't use it as a main book. You should already know the concept before reading it, and it contains few mnemonics that will aid your learning. And if you will use coaching institute notes, then everyone prefers Gobind Rai Garg lectures, notes and book also. It is good for exam and it also contains mnemonics that aid learning. But I will not prefer it for making concept, because the best concept is only made from KDT. And I will request you, if you are not a note making person, but please try to make notes in pharmacology and try to read KDT, because few things are given different in these books like Shanbag and other exam preparatory manual. And if there will be any dispute in any question, KDT is used as a reference. For example, classification of drug. Learn it only from KDT, because your professors or any teacher that will check your paper, he will only give you good marks if the classification will be written from KDT. Classifications sometimes differ according to book. For microbiology, as I have already told you, that there are less concepts and more information. So those books that you have read for making concepts, you can also use it as an exam preparatory manual, like Apurva Shastri. But best thing will be your notes. You will be able to learn a lot of information from notes by reading it again and again. And if you are using coaching institute notes, then that is also good. So this was the genuine review of all second year books and which one you can use and why. So like and share this video to your batchmates and comment if you had any query regarding these books. And for more content, subscribe to our channel Doc Rocks. Thank you for watching this video. So until next time, stay connected.